when it comes to a remarkable place that offers the enjoyment of walking and jogging as forms of body exercises. You cannot miss out on Ligao City, which boasts the impressive Cavasi. Cavasi's expansive Richfield presents a wide-open, non-air polluted road that is just perfect for engaging in these activities. Moreover, you can enjoy cycling and other recreational activities on this road during your visit. At this very moment, the huge Richfield of Cavasi is all set to undergo its next planting season. It's an excellent idea to visit this picturesque place during these crucial times, when farmers are putting in their hard work to sustain the nation's food security. In conclusion, if you find yourself in Ligao City and want to experience walking, jogging, or any other body exercises, take a stroll down the non-air polluted road of Cavasi's Richfield and witness the hard work of farmers during planting or harvesting seasons, making you feel connected to the nation's food substantial.